I have to say, this is one of the most exciting things I've ever witnessed. And no, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about those TikTok views. Every single video here hits over 1 million views in just 2 days. How are these videos getting so popular so fast? It's simple. A fun quiz where viewers compete with a cartoon character. But here's the twist. It's targeting kids and adults who grew up watching these cartoon characters. So why is it racking up millions of views? Well, it's all because the video hooks viewers, keeping them engaged until the very end. And TikTok lost that. And the best part of it all is, these videos are just 1 minute long. So for every 1,000 views, you earn $1. Hit 1 million views, and that's a nice $1,000 right there. Now, if you're like me, that kind of money sounds like a dream, especially if you live somewhere like Nigeria, where those dollars stretch a lot further. But there's a catch. Some countries don't have access to TikTok creativity program. I know it's frustrating, right? Don't sweat it. I've got you covered. You know how people say play by the rules? Well, not here. Let's flip the script. There are lots of credible websites that sell US TikTok monetizable accounts that you can consider getting one from. Now let's talk about how to avoid getting stuck with less than 1,000 views, or even worse, getting shadow banned. First, spend some time engaging with videos in your niche. And by that I mean watch, comment, like, and study what's working for other channels in your niche so you can level up your own content. Second, if you go down the route of buying a US TikTok account, don't touch that username or profile picture before posting your first video. I know it sounds strange, but trust me, post your video first and then make those changes. Now, before we dive into creating your own very TikToks, let me walk you through a quick example.
Name any country in the world that begins with the letter P. If you said Poland, then you're out on question 1. Don't say the same as me or you lose all right. Question number 2. Name any school subject.
They're using Stewie's voice for the character. It's nostalgic and instantly grabs attention. But here's where you can stand out. Use different characters to make your videos unique. Okay, let's jump into the process of making your TikTok videos. It's a simple 4-step method and you'll be surprised how easy and fast it is. Let's create the script. You've got 2 options here. Come up with the question yourself, or if you're like me and want to save time, use AI. Head over to DubTop, paste the link from a viral video on TikTok, and voila! It has transcribed the video for you and you've got a script that's already proven to work. Now remember, this is just a script sample that we know works. What we want to do is follow that same structure to create our own unique script. So we'll head over to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the script below to be unique, but maintain the same structure, and then paste the copied script sample. We click enter and here we go. Our script is ready. Now step 2, creating the voiceover. We'll head over to Top Media AI, a superb AI tool for voiceover generation. They have different pricing plans to consider, but most importantly, they offer a free 3-day trial to explore and use their features, and that is what we are going to use to create the voiceover for our video. Click try now and sign up for their services. The categories of clone voices they have in their library is very interesting. So we'll click on voices, then animation. Go through the voices available and let's select on Homer Simpsons. This is a popular character that I believe is well known to millions of people. And then we'll paste our script and click generate. Once our voiceover is ready, we'll download it and move on to step 3 to generate background for our video. Hop onto YouTube or use Google search engine and search for a copyright-free Minecraft parkour video. Download it and then your background sorted. Now let's spice things up a bit. It's time to add some overlays. You will need 2 things, a timer and a character image. We'll use the same method and use YouTube or Google search engine to search for a green screen timer with sound effects and download it. For your character, just head to Google, find an image of your chosen character. In our case, we are using Homer Simpson and overlay it during the voiceover. Now here comes the fun part, editing. We're using CapCut, and trust me, this is the easiest editing software you'll find. Import everything you've downloaded, your voiceover, background and overlays, and you're ready to go. Start by splitting the video at every question point. Then add your timer right after each question. Use the chroma key to remove the green screen from the timer and speed it up if needed. There you go. For your overlays, you remove the background and lay it over your video. Adjust the size and place it at the right angle of your choice. Now for the final touches, caption. Go to CapCut's auto captions feature, generate them and tweak the font, color and position. I like keeping the text front and center, but you do you. Now let's watch our completed video.
Name any country in the world that begins with the letter P. If you said Portugal, then you're out. Question 1. Don't pick the same as me, or you lose all rights. Question number 2. Name any school subject. My answer is physics. Question number 3. Press and hold the comment button and select one of the 4 emojis. The emoji you pressed was this. You're out.
And there you have it. You are now ready to create TikToks that can go viral. So what are you waiting for? Smash that like button, drop a comment, and make sure you follow me for more game-changing tips. Oh, and let me know which celebrity you picked in the quiz. I'm curious to see who gets knocked out first.